Welcome to this quick guide on how to purchase and activate SpaceLogic KNX Remote subscriptions. Before purchasing subscriptions, you must first ask your customers to grant you access to their controllers. This access can be provided in two ways. Option 1, using the Wiser KNX app. In the mobile app, your customers should navigate to Home Management, select their controller, and tap Manage Access. From there, they can tap the plus icon and enter your cloud account email to grant you access. They will have to define your role as a system integrator and set the access period. For long-term maintenance contracts, permanent access is recommended. Once added, your account will appear in the Granted Access list. Two toggles must then be enabled: Remote Controller Access and Remote Project Configuration. These allow secure remote access and configuration of both the controller and the KNX installation via ETS or eConfigure. They can always be disabled later if needed. Option 2, using the Management plugin. Alternatively, access can be granted directly from the controller. The customer will need to connect with the admin account, navigate to the marketplace, and install the Management plugin. In the Controller Sharing tab, they need to click New Access, enter your cloud email account, and define the access period. Then, in the Remote Configuration tab, both Remote Project Configuration and Remote Controller Access must be enabled. Once access is granted, the shared controllers will appear on your SpaceLogic KNX Remote homepage. Now you are ready to purchase your subscriptions. The process of purchasing and activating SpaceLogic KNX Remote subscriptions consists of three main steps: purchasing the subscriptions, redeeming the vouchers to link them to your account, and creating the subscriptions to activate them. Begin by clicking the Purchase Subscriptions button in SpaceLogic KNX Remote. You'll be redirected to the Schneider Electric software shop. Log in using your existing Schneider Electric account that you use to purchase our products, or create a new one. In this case, you will need to select your company from the list if existing, or if not, register it. This account will be responsible for managing subscriptions in the Schneider digital shop. There are typically two main scenarios. 1. In a smaller company, the system integrator or electrician purchasing the subscriptions is also the one who will be using them. 2. In a larger company, the person making the purchase, such as a finance controller or the team leader, will later assign the subscriptions to the system integrators or electricians within the company. Please note that the login credentials used here may differ from those you use to access SpaceLogic KNX Remote. Once logged in, you will see the available subscription options. Please note the prices shown in this video are for illustrative purposes only and do not reflect the actual pricing. The monthly subscription is ideal if you're just getting started, or if you don't have ongoing maintenance contracts and only need to use the service occasionally. This option offers flexibility without a long-term commitment. The 1-year subscription is available for 1, 5, and 25 controllers. It's a great choice if you have active maintenance contracts or regular customers. You can reassign the subscription between different controllers once every 30 days, which makes it suitable for managing multiple installations with rotating access needs. The yearly subscription for unlimited controllers is best suited if you have maintenance contracts with more than 55 customers. The 5-year and 10-year subscriptions are designed for long-term maintenance contracts. By minimizing the need for frequent renewals, these options provide a simplified solution that functions much like a one-time purchase. You can reassign these subscriptions to a different controller once per year. Choose the subscription type and quantity that best matches your needs, then click Continue to Payment to proceed. Fill in your payment and billing information and provide the email of the person you would like to receive and exchange the vouchers. This person can later activate the subscriptions for himself or send the subscriptions to other members in his team. Once all details are entered, click Continue. Next, review your order, accept the terms and conditions, and complete the purchase. The installer will receive confirmation emails, including one with the digital vouchers. Please note that it may take a few minutes for the emails to arrive. Open the email with the vouchers and click Redeem Vouchers Now. This will take you to your Schneider Electric software account. Click Redeem to convert the vouchers into credits in your digital wallet. These credits can now be used to create new subscriptions or renew existing ones. Please note that you have 365 days to redeem your vouchers. Once redeemed, they become part of your credits and will not expire. Now that your credits are available, you can go ahead and create your subscription. Click Subscribe Now, then select the subscription type and the quantity that best suit your needs. Next, you must enter the delivery email, which is the email account of the system integrator or electrician that will operate that subscription. This email address must be the same he uses to access the SpaceLogic KNX Remote solution. Finally, enter a subscription reference, which could be a purchase order number, customer name, or project name. Click Confirm to finalize. Now that your subscription is active, it will appear in the Unassigned Subscriptions section of SpaceLogic KNX Remote. Here you can see the 3 subscriptions we've just created. You can find more in-depth information anytime by clicking the Help button to access the user guide. Important: it may take a few minutes for the subscription to synchronize and to be reflected in the digital locker and in SpaceLogic KNX Remote in ETS or eConfigure. After it is reflected, you can move on to assigning the subscription to the controllers you want to manage. We'll guide you through that process in another video.